Hi there, I'm Nicole Minder, licensed esthetician and owner of Savvy Skin Spa, and somebody recently asked me if I had to choose any PM product, what is the best thing to use at night? And the answer to that is retinol. Right here, this is Vita Lite. I know we've done a review on the past, but if I had to choose anything, it would definitely be retinol. Retinol speeds up the cell turnover, helps decrease pigmentation, smooths wrinkles, fine lines, texture, and it works extremely quickly. You don't have to use it every day, so the product will actually last you longer. My bottle lasted me about 6 months. I was using it pretty much Monday through Friday. At the beginning, you're going to do a slow application process so that you do not get excessively dry like everybody does with Retin-A. Retin-A is guilty of drying people out very quickly, and unfortunately most people never get to see the true result of the Retin-A because it has such a high sensitivity rate and because of the excessive peeling. So when you slowly do the retinol, we would say once a week for the first week, twice a week the second week, 3 times the third week, and then the fourth week, Monday through Friday is what I do. You will quickly see results within 1 month, but you're not going to get the excessive dryness and sensitivity and even dermatitis for some people, and you will see a beautiful, smooth, even glow to the skin. So if I had to choose one serum that's going to be my favorite for PM right now, it's definitely going to be retinol. Okay, well I wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I will see you soon. Bye.